So where are you going?
Okay, hold on. Oh, shit, Joe.
You can do it, Dad.
Good. So he's on that side. Yes. Yeah. Keep going. Come down. Oh.
You're good. No, you're good.
Big drop here. Big drop on passenger. Slow.
Right
Brake.
a little bit.
Brake control.
Yeah.
Brake control. Slow, 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 slow. Got it. Now you got a big drop right where you are.
Okay, you're gonna hit.
And you're
now
going to
he's
slide
not.
off
He's
of
good.
that rock. You're sliding off of that one. Big drop.
You're
Slow,
good.
slow,
You're gonna
slow. Keep coming
Yeah,
down.
you're gonna go up in the back.
Yeah.
Oh, you're gonna go this way? You got the rock.
You got to go on top of that big one, right? Yeah. More.
Yeah.
Keep going.
Okay, you're on it. You're
Straight.
on it. You're right
Yeah,
at it.
straight.
You're
Okay,
right
no,
at it.
no,
Don't put it too straight.
No,
No,
no.
you're going to slide off. You're going to slide
Go
off.
back.
Back up.
Go back a little bit.
Back a little because you're off to the side of it. Yeah, you're sliding off of it right now. Just a little. There you go. There you
Go
go.
a little bit more. Okay, straighten up. Go this way. More. You're gonna still slide. Ah.
You're on. You're
No,
over.
you
You're
gotta go
over.
back.
You're on that side of it.
Yeah, you're on the left of it.
You're
He's
on the left side of it.
It's gonna hit it.
Yeah. To go on top of it, you got to come this way, about 6 inches.
Keep going.
Keep going.
You're at it. You're on it right
Yeah.
now.
Gotta gas
You're
it a
gonna
little bit.
slide. Gas it and get on top of it.
There
There
you
you
go.
go. There you go.
Straight,
Yeah.
straight.
Yeah, perfect. Woo. Slow. Brake control.
There you go. You go around top of the rock. There you got it.
There we go.
Okay, we're gonna turn around.